These pancake fruit tacos are about to become a regular guest at your table. Perfect for breakfast, ideal for brunch, and quick and easy for a healthy weeknight dinner. There is no wrong time to serve these. These tacos are the perfect vehicle for transporting healthy goodness directly to your mouth. Bananas, strawberries, blueberries, and star fruit come together beautifully in this taco. But why limit yourself? Choose your favorite fruit combinations: apple, blackberries, pear, kiwi. There really is no way to go wrong. Make a fruit bar for the family. Award goes to the most creative taco. Honey is sweet and delicious, and perfect when drizzled over the fruit and peanut butter. Maple and blueberry syrup would be tantalizing alternatives. Make them organic and low sugar for a bit of extra healthy goodness. Speaking of healthy goodness, you can use half white and half wheat flour for some added fiber without changing the fluffy, savory taste of the pancakes. Is there any occasion when these wouldn't be a welcome treat? Kids get delicious choices, you get a healthy breakfast. Everyone wins.